6 ideal healthy chicken dinner recipes. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Love chicken but watching your diet? No worries! We've got 6 ideal healthy chicken dinner recipes for you. Each recipe is a step-by-step guide to creating meals that are scrumptious and wholesome. Every mouthful is a delight that fills the tummy, but not with the waistline. So, why compromise on our health cravings when you can whip up something delicious in no time? Number 1. Rice and chicken, 420 calories. This rice and chicken recipe is a nutritious and flavorful option for those aiming to lose weight while still enjoying a satisfying meal. Combining tender chicken, aromatic spices, and wholesome rice, this dish provides a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. Chicken offers a lean source of high-quality protein, supporting muscle growth and repair. Rice serves as a complex carbohydrate, providing energy and promoting satiety. Here are the specific ingredients for rice and chicken recipe. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup cooked rice, 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, herbs and spices for seasoning, such as paprika, thyme, or oregano. Here is the process for making rice and chicken recipe. Number 2. Chicken with salad, 390 calories. This chicken with salad recipe is a light and nutritious option that is ideal for weight loss. With only 390 calories, it provides a satisfying meal packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Chicken is a lean source of protein that supports muscle growth and repair while keeping you satiated. The salad is loaded with fresh vegetables, offering an abundance of nutrients and antioxidants. The combination helps to boost metabolism, promote fullness, and support overall health. Here are the specific ingredients for chicken with salad recipe. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 4 cups mixed green salad greens, 1 cucumber sliced, 1 bell pepper thinly sliced, 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, 1 tomato diced, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, herbs or spices for seasoning, such as basil, oregano, or garlic powder. Here is the process for making chicken with salad recipe. Number 3. Stuffed chicken breast, 360 calories. The stuffed chicken breast recipe is a delicious and nutritious option for those looking to lose weight. With only 360 calories, it offers a flavorful combination of lean chicken breast and a delectable filling. Chicken breast provides a lean source of protein, which aids in muscle growth and repair while keeping you feeling satisfied. The stuffing, made with a variety of ingredients, adds both taste and nutrients to the dish. Here are the specific ingredients for stuffed chicken breast. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1/4 cup low-fat cheese crumbled, 1/4 cup sun-dried tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh basil leaves chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste. Cooking spray. Here is the process for making stuffed chicken breast recipe. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Breaded chicken breast recipe, 390 calories. This breaded chicken breast recipe is a flavorful and satisfying option for a healthy dinner while supporting weight loss. With just 390 calories, It offers a balance of lean protein and a crispy coating. Chicken breast provides a good source of protein, supporting muscle growth and repair, while the breaded coating adds texture and flavor. By baking instead of deep frying, you can enjoy a healthier version of this classic dish without sacrificing taste. Here are the specific ingredients for breaded chicken breast recipe. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1/2 cup whole wheat breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried Italian herbs, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 egg beaten, cooking spray. Here is the process for making breaded chicken breast recipe. Number 5. Rolled stuffed breast, 380 calories. This rolled stuffed chicken breast recipe is a delicious and nutritious option for a healthy dinner while supporting weight loss. With just 380 calories, it offers a flavorful combination of lean chicken breast and a tasty filling. Chicken breast provides a good source of protein, which aids in muscle growth and repair, while the stuffing adds both flavor and nutrients. Here are the specific ingredients for rolled stuffed chicken breast recipe. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1/4 cup low-fat cheese, 1/4 cup spinach, 2 tablespoons sun-dried tomatoes chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste, cooking twine or toothpicks for securing. Here is the process for making rolled stuffed chicken breast recipe. Number 6. Potato-Crusted chicken recipe, 380 calories. Potato-crusted chicken is a tasty and satisfying option for a healthy dinner, especially for those aiming to lose weight. With just 380 calories, this recipe combines the lean protein of chicken with a crispy potato crust. Chicken breast provides essential protein for muscle growth and repair, while keeping you feeling full. The potato crust adds a delightful texture and flavor, making it a satisfying and nutritious choice. Here are the specific ingredients for potato-crusted chicken recipe. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 medium-sized potatoes peeled and grated, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, cooking spray. Here is the process for making potato-crusted chicken recipe. And that concludes our list of 6 ideal healthy chicken dinner recipes. Do you happen to know any chicken dinner recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. This way, you'll be always up to date on the best and healthiest foods available. And every bite, a taste of health and delight. And that is Healthy Bites. Bye!